Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix iPhone no ringing for incoming calls. So if each time you have an incoming calls on your iPhone, you discover that the iPhone is not ringing and you really wanted your iPhone to ring for all your incoming calls, then here are the steps you need to take to fix this. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, you want to confirm that your iPhone is not on silent mode. So if the ringer button is tilted towards silent, definitely your iPhone is not going to ring when you have an incoming call like this. So first thing you want to do is locate the action button by the side and make sure it is tilted toward ringer. So once you say ringer, then there is a chance that your iPhone is going to ring. Again, if your iPhone is on ringer but it is still not ringing for incoming calls, what you need to do is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, locate Sounds and Haptics and then click on it. Once you selected Sounds and Haptics, locate ringtone and alert and make sure the ringtone is at maximum. So once the ringtone is set to maximum, make sure you have change with buttons enabled so that when your iPhone rings, you can easily use the volume up button and then the volume down button to control the iPhone volume. And lastly, locate ringtone and click on it. Once you select a ringtone, you want to make sure you set your iPhone to a ringtone that is loud enough to call your attention. So once you do all this, then you can be rest assured that when you have an incoming call on your iPhone is going to ring. So that is basically how to fix iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.